Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from quantitative aptitude. We all know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most easiest portion also, as it doesn't contain any conceptual complexity in it. It only requires your numerical and computational abilities. So let's start with this question. In each question, two equations are provided, and on the basis of this, you have to find out the relation between x and y. So here we are given 5 relations, and there are 1 2 3 and 2 5 okay, 5 questions are in this portion, and for each question we are given two equations based on x and y. Okay, and from these two equations we need to solve for the values of x and y, and then we have to find among these 5 relations which relation is perfect for that question. So let's start with the first one. Here the first equation is 7x minus 3y is equals to 13, and the second equation is 5x plus 4y is equals to 40. Okay. Now if we multiply 4 with the equation 1 and multiply 3 with equation 2, we get 28x minus 12y is equals to 52, and then we get 15x plus 12y is equals to 120, and after solving this we get 43x is equals to 172. That means the value of x will be 4, hence y is equals to 5. Therefore here we have x is less than y. Option 3 is correct one. Now let's check the next question. Here we have the equation x square plus 11x plus 28 equals to 0. X square plus 11x plus 28 is equals to 0, and 2y square plus 13y plus 20 is equals to 0. Okay. Now if we factorize both the quadratic equation, we get, for the first one we get x square plus 4x plus 7x plus 28 is equals to 0. Therefore the factors are x plus 4 and x plus 7. Hence x is equals to minus 4 and minus 7. Now for the next one we get 2y square plus 8y plus 5y plus 20 is equals to 0. Hence we get y plus 4 multiplied by 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. Hence y is equals to minus 4, and here we get minus 5 by 2. And from these two values we can say that x is less than is equals to y. That is, the option 4 is correct for this question. Now let's get into the next question, 48. Here we have two quadratic equation also based on x and y. So if we factorize this quadratic equation, we get 6x square plus 15x plus 14x plus 35 is equals to 0. Here we have 3x plus 7 multiplied by 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Hence the value of x is minus 7 by 3. The value of and another value of x is minus 5 by 2. Now the quadratic equation based on y is 3y square plus 19y plus 30 is equals to 0. This implies 3y square plus 9y plus 10y plus 30 is equals to 0. Therefore we get 3y plus 10 multiplied by y plus 3 is equals to 0. Hence y is minus 3 and minus 10 by 3. So from this we get x is strictly greater than y. Therefore option 1 is correct for this question. Now jump to the next one, question number 49. Here we have two equations, 2x plus 5y is equals to 6 and 5x plus 11y is equals to 9. If we multiply with 5 with equation 1 and then subtract the second equation after multiplying 2 with it, we get 10x plus 25y is equals to 30 and 10x plus 22y is equals to 18. Therefore these two portions are cancelled out. After that we get 3y is equals to 12. Hence y is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 7. Hence x is strictly less than y. Therefore here also the option 3 is correct. Now lastly come to the last one, that is question number 50. Here we have two quadratic equations, 5x square minus 16x plus 11 is equals to 0. After factorization we get 5x square minus 5x minus 11x plus 11 is equals to 0. Hence x minus 1 multiplied by 5x minus 11 equals to 0. Hence x equals to 1 and 11 by 5. And secondly we have 5y square minus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. After factorization we get 5y square minus 5y plus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0. Hence 5y plus 2 and y minus 1 are the two factors. Hence the values of y is y equals to 1 and minus 2y 5. Hence here also x is greater than equals to y. Therefore the option 2 is correct for this question. So we have solved all the question and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can check our website and you can WhatsApp us also in these two numbers, that is 9836793076 and 9874822756. Okay, so thank you very much.